ContractorLeadExchange.com. Thinking about replacing your roof, remodeling your bathroom, or installing a new HVAC system? Here's the mistake that costs homeowners thousands every year. Most people wait. They wait until the roof leaks. They wait until the furnace quits. They wait until the contractor they wanted is booked for the next 3 months. When demand spikes, prices often rise, schedules fill up, and you're left choosing from whoever is still available instead of the contractor you actually wanted. That's why Contractor Lead Exchange exists. We connect homeowners with vetted local contractors before a small problem becomes a major emergency. Our service is free for homeowners, and you stay in control of who you choose. Don't wait until you're forced to make an expensive decision. Visit Contractor Lead Exchange today and get matched with trusted local contractors before everyone else does. Free contractor match, no obligation, trusted local contractors.